Hey everybody, I'm Wang. Today we're going to unbox this Nokia 2.2. This one was purchased at Lazada. Price is 299 Malaysian ringgit. And why I buy this one, because they have Android One on it and it's the cheapest phone I can find. So this is for my mom for her daily use. So but when I purchased it, it advertised come with a 16 gig memory card. And also this one was not written there. It's a Nokia case plus a tempered glass. Later we have a look together. So we'll open this case and tempered glass first. So box again. This is a hard case, so better than nothing. And this is a tempered glass. So everybody has seen the tempered glass, so no need to show a lot. So let's move this aside. And for the memory card, I won't open it because my mom doesn't need to use it, and she only use for calling only. So let's have a look on the Nokia phone. Inside the box, we do have a phone. This is the battery. Inside the box here, user menu. Below the box here, headset, Nokia charger. This is a 5V 1A charger, a micro USB charger, nothing already. So we move aside the box. Let's install the battery. I won't be sticking the screen protector first. So the phone do have all plastic, and then no physical button. A camera front. Here is a shortcut, I think. This is volume control and a power button. So let's set up. This is a simple unboxing, just simple thing on it. So this one is used for calling only. It's for my mom. So don't need to have fancy thing, as simple as possible. The screen size is 5.75 I think, or 5.72. So that's all for my simple unboxing of this Nokia 2.2. Thank you for viewing. I'm Wang. Bye.